how you are going to get pregnant fast. So because you don't know if your husband is the one that have this. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first day of coming across my video or seeing my face, you are highly welcome to this channel. My name is SA Unique. So today I want to share a very important and amazing recipe for the men and women. If you are suffering from infertility, unable to conceive, this problem is not just for the women. Some people think this problem is just for the women. No, it is not. So if your wife has been suffering from this, or you as a woman watching me, you have been suffering from this, unable to conceive and have a child of your own, the problem might not be just your problem alone. It might be also your husband's problem. So, with the grace of God, with this recipe, I'm assuring you that you are going to conceive and have a child of your own. So, this recipe is what I'm going to use to prepare this recipe. This is known as prekes in Ghana. So, this is popularly common in West Africa. In Nigeria, where I come from, we use this to prepare pepper soup for those women that just nearly give birth. So this is a very powerful spice. And also, if you have fibroid, this is also going to help you to shrink out the fibroid, make it smaller. From there, it will just go. Okay? So if you want to know this amazing recipe, how I'm going to prepare this prekes, known as Aida in Nigeria, where I come from. So stay tuned and continue watching this video to know how you are going to prepare this for you and your husband. Continue watching. Guys, to prepare this fertility recipe, this is what I need, this prekes. So in Nigeria, as I have said earlier, this is called aridan. So what you are going to do is to first of all get a clean water and wash it. Make sure you wash it properly. So after washing, what you are going to be doing is to get a pot. Make sure you get hot pot. This is what I used to prepare my herb, like I used to say in my video. So what I'm going to be doing now is to break it into the pot. It's very strong, but you just have to try. Yes, you can see it's broken. So you put it into the pot this way and pour in enough water, because I'm going to be getting 2 liters of water from this pot. So you are going to pour in enough water into it. So you pour in more water. Make sure you have more water. You are going to be cooking this for 30 minutes. I will pour in more water. This is it. So now I'm going to take this to my gas cooker to cook it for 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, I'm coming back to explain to you how you are going to take it, how long you are going to take it, how many glass you are supposed to take. I'm coming to explain to you. Continue watching, okay? So this is it, guys. After cooking it for 30 minutes, this is how it is. So I'm just going to bring that a little for you to see the color, how it is, how you are going to be preparing it, okay? So first of all, just allow this to cool down. Allow the hot pot to cool down. Then you are going to pour it into a 2 liter of 2 liter. So you are going to pour this into 2 liter. In the morning, first thing in the morning, very early in the morning, first thing, you get 1 cup like this. Make sure it is 1 cup. You give 1 cup to your husband to drink. Then you also take 1 cup. That means the both of you is going to be taking 2 cups, 1 cup each person for 6 weeks. You are going to be doing this for 6 weeks, taking it in an empty stomach every morning for 6 weeks. But you just need just 1 precase to prepare 2 liters of water. So after 6 weeks, if you want to also anytime before that 6 weeks end, after using the 2 liters, if you also want to prepare another 2 liters, also take another 1 precase, put it inside the pot also, and cook it for 30 minutes. Also prepare another 2 liters. Be taking it like that every morning, you and your husband, for 6 good weeks. So if you have not you are having the problem of fibroid, after taking all this will start making your fibroid to become very small. It will start shrinking the fibroid. So, and this also is going to make you to also be fertile. If you are having this issue of not able to conceive, this is going to help you. Make sure you follow this step I just described for you. If you want to get this precase, you can contact me, or you go to Amazon or eBay. You can order it from eBay or Amazon. If you have difficulties in getting it, you can contact me. So this is going to help you to shrink fibroid, help you to be fertile. Make sure whenever you are ready to make any tea, make tea with this, just like as I have in this cup. Always get 1 precase. Cook it for 30 minutes. After cooling down, pour it into 2 liters of water, 2 liters of rubber or a can. Just pour it. Make sure it is 2 liters. You and your husband will be taking it every morning. So listen to how I have explained. Make sure you watch this video very well and follow this step I just explained to you. This is going to help you, help your marriage, help you to be fertile, help you to have a child of your own. But make sure you take it very early in the morning. 1 glass cup first thing in the morning without eating anything. Okay, so this is it. So this is it, guys. This precase, it is a very powerful spice that you are going to use. This is how you are going to get pregnant fast. So because you don't know if your husband is the one that have this problem or you are the one that is having this problem. But to be on a safer side, you give this to your husband and also give it to yourself. Because you know sometimes when a man divorces a woman because of the issue of infertility, being able to conceive, if he marries another woman, you'll be surprised that woman will give birth. Or sometimes when the woman leaves and marries another man, the woman will give birth. So that is why you don't know if it's the woman or the man. To be on a safer side, take this and give to your husband also. This precase is a very powerful spice that is going to help you to conceive fast. Okay? If you want to order this, I got mine from Africa. But if you want to order it, it is available in eBay and Amazon, I think. So if you can't get it, contact me through my Instagram handle or my Facebook page. I'm available. Give me any question you want there concerning this precase. I will answer you. Okay? This is what my grandmother taught me. I learned this from my grandmother. She taught me this. So I decided to share it with you guys because I know it's going to benefit someone out there that is suffering from fibroid, and also for the men that is having problem of weak erection. This is also going to solve your problem and also help you to conceive fast if you have been battling with infertility. This is going to help you. So, if you have been watching my video since and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and also turn on the post notification, which is that bell icon up there. Turn it on so when next I upload, you will be notified of my video. See you all in my next one. Bye.